Hello, this is TL Cooking. Today I'm going to make a vanilla 4-layer dessert. I found out I can't have chocolate, so I'm coming up with another alternative. Right here in my pan I have a 12-ounce package of vanilla sandwich cookies that I have crushed up and added 2 tablespoons of melted butter to. And then I put them in my glass pan. And in here I have one package, 8-ounce package of cream cheese. I'm going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar and then half of a container of Cool Whip. And we'll save the other half for the top. Now we're just going to mix this all up. Okay, now we're going to pour the cream cheese, powdered sugar, and Cool Whip mixture on top of our cookie crumbs. And try to spread that all out evenly. You gotta be careful. The side wants to pick up with it. There we go. Now we're going to get our 2 packages, 3-ounce packages of French vanilla with 3 cups of milk. So now I've mixed up 2 packages, 3.4-ounce packages of French vanilla with 3 cups of milk. And we'll pour that over top. Now I have tried this with lemon pudding too. It's very good with lemon pudding. Make sure that's all covered. And the next thing will be the Cool Whip. The other half of that Cool Whip. Which again, there again, it's hard to spread. Okay, there you go. This is my vanilla 4-layer dessert. I hope you enjoyed. Just put it in the fridge for a couple hours and enjoy. It's TL Cooking. Thank you.